If you're missing the flashlight shortcut and the camera shortcut on the lock screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can restore the shortcuts on the lock screen of your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, just go to the home screen of your iPhone and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Wallpaper, then tap on Customize on the lock screen section. As you can see, we have successfully opened the Customize section on our lock screen. Now just tap on the plus icon in the shortcut section and select the flashlight shortcut at the left side on your iPhone. Now just tap on the plus icon on the right side and select Camera. As you can see, we have successfully added the shortcuts on our lock screen. Now to save the changes, just tap on Done. Now if we open the lock screen of our iPhone, as you can see, we have successfully restored the shortcuts on the lock screen, just like that. And this is how you can restore the flashlight shortcut and the camera shortcut on the lock screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.